Mama Akwaba, what frame Ajoa searching Mesrel, now I subscribe to my channel. Me on notification bell also for more news.
At the certified voters register, I'm a political parties. Na NDC for say register na edam no yamfa statistics and county omo nyi register no. We a political party na we ni ha. Sa political party a wako 2 major elections a went me collate results. E be na register ma what me anya ni papa atime disaggregate register na hu say register dem am no ememe wo mu yesi ememe wo mu yesi ni wo mu. Political party a went me collate results. 2 major elections 2016 2020 went me and collate results. Electoral Commission at the register at the Amobia. Moana moye yenya audit ye framework TV so be when you Electoral Commissioner ye Juma or the if in fact register no crown yes or within 21 days say to election say as the register no mamo. Na aka more than 30 days or the register no at the mamo. So that obia ukọ na ukọ hwem na wasem bia no a ubetimi de aba am Electoral Commission me de hu kita ho most mo per statistics actually say e bia nipa eme wo munie eme wo munie we yese anka no kra no ehun hia Electoral Commission say waje atum obeye hu adwuma da no ano no so obetimi aya wie mo twan ya wantimi anye ose mo nyim register na monko ya mo de hu adwuma me ye no wie so a me de bekam ho NDC for say ye jina so fama SSC ansa ne yakọ and you see that biano NDC 4% omodi the credibility of the Electoral Commission from it's what they were doing is say yenfa pressure into dimension so na on generative figures be mine no generative ya say akohwa be ka say why error tient me ni Electoral Commission ni adeti na nipa be say register no all the amount o say wanya cover note anya statistics wo so anfa no amount wunyi ntum and to obey register no ho wa wasam ye koto aba woji register na aba na ye beto wanye a ye beto ye nkasa NDC for so monyi register nti ye koto aba December 7 Ghana for be saline ye beto aba e the Electoral Commission register no e the beto aba mon kopeka be fa so mo be collecting results e ho na asem no wo Asante Mpacho Entra former President John Dramani Mahama wahye na probase e wo fragmentum na okodu ye no instead of say obeka che fragmentum for ade a oba obetimi aye ene nia waye pen no yenkonko hwe asama former president no okodu ho no ekokan ne campaign a na ordinam Volta region asante mi enkohwe bra Facebook bra YouTube oba like na share no binya binhwe.
In Rawlings time MPP used to get single digit in Volta region. In 2020, they have climbed and climbed and climbed, and in 2020 they got 14%. And so it means that they are making inroads into the Volta region. And any time the MPP comes into government, development of infrastructure in the Volta region comes to a halt until NDC comes back.
Asante for figures in the election figures in the infant church for the analysis ni hia ni ya chair former president ni entia Volta region for ehu kanea no a omoto aba edema NPP na NPP a grow. So the year 2012 NPP enya 46,000 NDC nya 579,000. Into MPP percentage was 7.41%. NDC enya 91%. And 2016 NPP vote echo 46,000 echo 60,000. NDC diano so ete eba 493,000. Na ejina ho edema 87.67%. NMPP it grew from 7 to 10.81%. Afei ufa the year 2020 election year NPP a vote it grew from 60,000 echo 101,084. NDC vote and so echo 606,425. It's when ye because numbers no nominal figures because of the population growth na akoso. But I'll check the percentages now. NDC percentage so SITB from 87 to 84%. And NPP so grow from 10% to 14%. It's the growth trajectory. No? So NPP grew from 7 to 10 to 14. NDC lose from 91 to 87 to 84. Into this time round, no, your mama who say, I had the NDC Volta region for any abrese on Betuaba Edietia the NDC. Into a quack jina ho or say, and you may pepper or hanging men amaye ensuo akwan say men amaye. Go on that sebre. So my favorite town efena Adakru hine ekasaye abria nana adudanko akufuado this year ekoko bie 11.5 million euros water project ano na okati sod 2020 okati sod no NDC for can say oboa do be pivot asanti da ye bie so na no yen konko tie asemo a wo hene no ekaye.
During the administration of Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo, that Adaklu district had the first police station constructed, which subsequently led to the construction of an office accommodation for a district police commander. It is true that this administration, Adaklu district, has seen the construction of the first third road leading to the district capital. It is also true that under your administration, a district court with accommodation for judges has been constructed. Mr. President, Adaklu district shall have a district hospital by 2024 under the Agenda 111 initiative. The soil has been cut and construction work is ongoing speedily. As if that is not enough, it is true that under your administration, Adaklu district is enjoying the first pipe-borne water system. An answer to our ancestors' cry and prayers. We are eternally grateful, Mr. President. Today, as you commission this water system, permit me to refer to the Igbo proverb, he who brings cola brings what? Life, and state that he who brings water brings life. You have brought life to the people of Adaklu, and on dependence on rivers as well as streams, especially for drinking, has become a thing of the past.
Nana Akufo-Addo and now first pipe-borne water. Look, Adaklu ba enye no. Oduma kuma bo wiase. Adaklu MP eye Kwame Agboja. Oti parliament wo edinse mu.
Aha, you know the things they are allowed.
And so the kromu ensuo John Mahama Rollins Ebresu besi ene. Akufo-Addo na mansu 11.5 million euros. And so John Mahama